Do you like ever make bad decisions, but you like are conscious about making bad decisions in the moment of making bad decisions? Cause same. Wow, I might have just fucked up my hair. That's great. I'm an idiot. So I just spent like 1.5 hours at like 9 or 10 o'clock at night doing all this fancy ass makeup to film this video and to enjoy it. Just to take it off again and go to bed. While I'm drinking some red wine because it is the weekend, or I guess technically it's Thursday, but it is my Friday, I decided. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well today. Today's video is going to be sorry, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm like looking at myself like, girl, are you okay? Today's gonna be a hair cutting video because, I mean, I don't think it's a secret that my hair is pretty damaged. Like my hair, pretty bleached and pretty like actually burnt off. I literally burnt off this part of my hair. Like straight up, bleach actually will burn off your hair. Like it's not just a myth. Like trust me. Like I literally have like a mini mohawk. So today's video is going to be a hair video. It's sort of a scary video, but I feel like I'm at a point in my life where I'm like, I don't care. Like I honestly, like I don't care about my hair that much. Like even though obviously I have a colored hair, but I mean in the sense that, I don't know, even if I cut it stupidly, it's like, it's just hair. Like it grows out. Like I'm not that attached to my hair. I'm gonna be following Brad Mondo's way of cutting your hair. I watched the video like sort of in the sidelines while I was doing my makeup, so I got the general gist of what he wants you to do. He says to divide it into 4 sections, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today because you know what, I literally I'm such a poor student, like such a poor student. I don't have money to spend in Norway. If you want to get your hair professionally cut, it's like 700 kroners, maybe even more. I'll put the like translation rate or like the conversion rate to American dollars. Like it's so fucking expensive. Like everything's so expensive in Norway. Like it's actually ridiculous how expensive things are in Norway. But yeah, like I do not have money to cut my hair. I cannot cut my hair. I don't even have money to, I was gonna maybe buy a hairdressing comb, but I don't even have money for that. Like I'm so poor. I could go off on a rant about how little support students in Norway are getting in the corona situation. So yeah, today we're gonna be making some bad decisions, guys. Some bad decisions. That is what I do in my life. Can you see my sweat? I don't know why I got this shirt because you can like, it's so no, that's actually just a stain. But yeah, I'm just gonna section off my hair and we're gonna try this shit out, dude. Oh, this is what I do for fun. First, I gotta take a thumbnail though. Okay, that should be good. I should just make a compilation of like all of the thumbnails because I just literally just pose like this. I'm like, not exactly like that, but like, let's get back to the program. Just brushing my hair. Yes, I'm currently drinking wine out of a straw of a dirty ass wine glass. Classy as fuck. I ripped my earring out. It's not even funny. Okay, I cannot find a thing to put the earring back on. Dude. Bitch, get in the hole, dude. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, I love laughing. I just miss being with people. I just love laughing with people and like doing stupid shit. Like I mean it's fun to do stupid shit alone, but it's not the same as doing stupid shit with other people. Like there's a certain nuance to doing stupid shit with other people. Like you can actually enjoy the stupid shit more when you're with other people because they're like, we're all like embracing the stupid shit together. It's not just doing stupid shit in the void of stupid shit. It's just doing stupid shit in common with other people. It's just beautiful. I love it. Oh, I'm just gonna do a little trim, so don't expect a drastic change for me. So let's try this. Do it. Du, nej fan, stick och bränn. Okay, and then I'm just gonna like somehow feel like I'm gonna fail at this. And obviously this is like this is my front pieces. I'm gonna have to do something else with them. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. Hey guys, so my camera literally decided to stop recording. Thank God I didn't start actually cutting my hair yet, so I am just gonna get going where I left off. I love how I'm just like wearing pajamas. This like, I don't know what it's called in English, this ullundertøy, I think it's called in Norwegian. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's meant to have under a sweater. Like it's just meant for warmth. But then my makeup is just like, I'm going out. I feel like this is like quarantine vibes, even though I'm not technically quarantined. It's just like everything's like pretty much shut down. So I'm just gonna divide it into 4 different sections and go at it. Yes! Also, I do want to apologize for fucking wine ass, drunk ass, well not drunk ass, but wine ass Maren, because she talks a lot. Because I started editing and I'm like, bitch, no one cares. Like, what are you talking about? Shut up. And this is why I'm single. Just kidding. So down by like the shoulder, basically. Sort of. Yeah, I'm gonna divide them in 4 pieces first and then I'm gonna cut. I just feel like it's so hard to get it to be like all straight down, you know? I have a lot of hair though. Not as in hair though, as in like dough. But hair though. English is a language that is not even like what? Like what? That was a hiccup. Like fuck. Why am I doing this though? I should probably watch the video again because I'm just going off of memory at this point because I'm too lazy to like actually go and watch it and find in detail what I'm supposed to do. So I'd rather just like ruin my hair instead of like actually watch the video and do it in detail, because that's just how my brain works, I guess, or doesn't work. For this one, I remember him saying you want to like brush it flat. You should technically have someone with you to like brush it flat on the back here. God, this is where I'm gonna go so fucking wrong. Do you like ever make bad decisions, but you like are conscious about making bad decisions in the moment of making bad decisions? Cause same. So I'm trying to like lure it down, like straight down. So I guess I could do this now and then pull it down more. If I now like hold it like this and then I pull it down. Oh no, see, I don't know. I feel like it's not even. But I mean, I'm gonna be clipping it up, not straight across. So it should, why is this one so much thicker? Like I feel like this one should almost be like 2 sections. Yes, okay. Fuck off. That was like a mix between Norwegian and English because we say fuck off and then in English is fuck off. So it's mixed the two. Ah, go away. We literally steal it from English. It's not an actual Norwegian word. We just steal it and make it like sound as if it's Norwegian. Okay, so this one's here. And then no. I don't know if that's I think it's a Norwegian Christmas song. I don't know if it's in English. Oh my god. I did not mean to do that. To say that. To sing that. How does one even do this? Meow. 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 Now, I could potentially bring it for... You know what? Pray for me. So pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. I don't know why. So I'm gonna pull it down till it's like this much. So for this one, I want to just like really hold this. You do not want it to like change. For fun. You know what? Okay, let's just begin. I fucked this one up. You know what? I'm gonna start. This is not going to be satisfying for you guys because I'm literally doing a tiny trim. Like I just want to get like the very dead ends. So I don't know why your hair, like you may as well just click off. Like I feel like you can't go too wrong when you're clipping, when you're going this way, you know? Because even if it's like not totally even, it's like, I don't know, you don't really notice. Or maybe I'm just fooling myself in this very moment. And I just realized I'm just letting it all fall to the floor without any towel or anything. That's great. Ooh, this is fun. I think if this is, I might not get all the ends, you know what I mean? Like, This one's definitely like shorter. This one needs to get cut a bit here on the ends and then go in. Me acting like I know what I'm doing. Okay, I feel like these look sort of even. Sort of. Now, the scary part is this like back part here. Like, how do I know? I guess I gotta just like do like these. I'm gonna say that that one's done. You know, just pretend. Ooh. I think it actually looks okay. I gotta do the last one though. Oh, you know what I forgot about? I actually have like a V shape in the back of my hair.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Like, you know, like a swoop. Wow, that's probably why it looks like weird, you know? Wow, I might have just fucked up my hair. That's great. I'm an idiot. I'm just gonna hope and pray that they're all like sort of even. Okay, so I mean, it's definitely not perfect. I mean, yeah, definitely not perfect. There's different layers in it, as you can see, but that was already in my hair. I kind of wanna like go and like, actually yes, I'm gonna go in and fix a little bit. Like, you see I have like my front pieces here. I like them to be a little bit shorter, I think. I'm gonna like risk ruining my hair even more. Just kidding. How do I even do this without like actually fucking it up? I guess I'm just gonna do a little... I kind of like this upward motion because like it's so hard to fuck up. Just don't go sideways and like you're kind of like getting a trim. Oi, I just fucked up, I think. Oh no. There we go. Kind of like a tiny bit shorter up here. I'm a hairdresser now, guys. Just kidding. I think I'm gonna leave this middle, because you can see that I have a little bit of layers here. But I'm just gonna leave it to like I just did this and the lengths. I'm gonna just take these out just for the demonstration, because if I'm gonna be flipping my hair around, I ain't gonna flip no hoops out of my hair. I'm just hoping the back doesn't look horrible. So I'm gonna have to look back at this clip. Wait, can you even see it? Because I used to have a little bit of a V. I don't know if I just fucked that up or like what I did. Give your honest opinion in the comments. I don't know, I feel like I know that it's not a noticeable difference probably. You guys probably wanted a satisfying chopping half my hair off video, but I just wanted to have a little bit of a trim. Now I feel like I can go a little bit longer without going to a hairdresser, because like I said, I'm a poor bitch, and I don't know, I just feel like it looks a little bit healthier. I kind of do want to do the middle part here, but I don't know, I just don't want to risk it. I already really actually like it. Oh my god, I just wiped off my eyebrow. I wonder how long that has been there for. If you don't know, I shaved off half my eyebrow, and that's... If you guys have any good brow products that really stay, even when you like rub it off, let me know, because now I have like shaved off half my eyebrow and I'm like drawing them in, and obviously that's not always good because now I don't know how long I've had half eyebrow for. So that's fun. That happened to me. I was at the doctor's office and I realized later that I rubbed off half my eyebrow, and I'm like, wow, I just look like an absolute idiot. Ooh, don't you? My hair almost looks a little shiny because I like straighten it and I put like products in it and actually like put some effort into how I look. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more of me, feel free to like my video and subscribe to my channel and follow me at Christina on Instagram if you want to keep even more up to date with me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I want to remind you guys to always be the light that you guys want to see in the world. Don't let anyone ever tell you guys that you can't do something positive for the world, because you can. Oh, did you hear that? Yeah. Bye guys!